Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-Flex CAM training course, and the topic for today will be the engraving. So still under the 2D toolpath types, we have this very important group, very easy to deal with, but it's a group. And as the name says, this is used to engrave texts. So the idea is create the texts on the CAD side and then go to the CAM and make the program. So we will do exactly that. So write down a text. First we need to define the parameters of the text. So simply go to parameters. We are here, we can choose the font. Let us choose first a very standard, like this Arial font. Line wide, I will say 0.1, size 20, okay. And do the OK and write what you want. You can use CADsoft, and we have our text here. So now CNC, we have this function called engraving. This is very standard as the other 2D tool types. So choose the tool file. I have one already prepared called engraving. I have one tool inside which we can see. This is a round tool with 1 mil diameter, so very normal. Feed rates, RPMs, you know already this one. Pass by contour or the opposite direction. The tool lift, absolute and increment, you know this already. The plane height, so this is to be configured according to the definition you have in your part in your machine. Offset correction, you can do this or not, and approximation. In this particular case, for letters, the circular interpolation, it's a good thing to have on. So now let us choose the text and simply go and say OK. I'm not sure when I click the text if it lost the tool file. Let us do the machining. Yes, it lost the file, so let us select it again. Okay, now it should be okay. So play, here we are, and in this particular case is doing the outside or the limits of the letters. This depends on the font we consider. If we choose, for example, another type of font, so let us do again a draw, parameters, and choose for example this triplex font. Okay, let us write down also CADsoft, and let us try to do another engraving. Okay, choosing the text, choosing the tool, and do the machine simulation. So you see already this is a little different. So while this first font works only on the limits of the letters, this one will do paths on the middle to fulfill all the letter. Let us wait a little to see. Okay, So it will do the contour of the letter, but also in the middle to do the filling of the letter, also along the 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 limits of the characters. So basically, this is very easy regarding the engraving. Resuming, choosing a font, it is very important. Choosing a tool, and very important also, choose the correct font to have the letter you want. So besides that, it's very straightforward in terms of parameters. So any help you may need in this topic, send us an email and we will help you according to whatever you may need.